The army reached the ocean. Now they camped in what is today called Rameshwaram. This news reached Ravan. So Ravan internally became scared, but he did not want to show it. So he called a meeting of his ministers and he asked them, I have heard that the Tapasvi has come with an army. What do you think we should do? So the ministers, they tried to butter Ravan. They said, Maharaj, is there anybody like you on this earth? What to say of their army? We are Rakshasas. Monkeys and bears are our khurak, our diet. We shall finish them off. So when they were trying to please Ravan in this manner, Vibhishan, he said, really? One of their monkeys came here, Hanuman, and he took you all to task. What happened to your strength and your courage at that time? So Vibhishan spoke to Ravan in strong words. He said, my brother, you did aniti, and the end is very near. He shall not leave you, but still there is a chance. He, I have heard, is an ocean of mercy. Go and beg forgiveness from him. That is the only way that our Rakshas Kul can be saved. So when Vibhishan spoke like this, Ravan became exceedingly annoyed. He said that you are staying in this city and you are eating on my maintenance, and then you speak such words in favor of the enemy. If you think so highly of him, in that case, go to him. So Ravan asked Vibhishan to leave. Vibhishan caught Ravan's feet and begged him to have some sense. He said, you have kidnapped the mother of the universe. You will have to pay the consequences. Ravan was not willing to listen. So Vibhishan said, all right. Vibhishan rejected Lanka. And he came by Akash Marg across the ocean. So when he came across the ocean, Sugriv got the news first of all. Sugriv went to meet Vibhishan. And he came to break the news to Ram. He said, Maharaj, do you know who has come? Ram said, who? The brother of your enemy Ravan. Now Ram is Antaryami. Ram knows the sentiment with which Vibhishan is coming. But he is Maryada Purushottam. And Sugriv is a friend of Ram. So Ram has to maintain the Maryada of friendship. He said, Sugriv, in your opinion, what niti should we adopt towards Vibhishan? Sugriv said, Maharaj, Jani na jai nisachara maya kam roop kehi karan aya. भेद हमार लेन साठ आवा राखिय बांधी mohi as bhava. In my opinion, don't trust him at all. Tie him up with a rope and throw him into the locker. So Ram answered, he said, Sakha niti tumani ki vichari mam pan sharanagat bhayahari. Sugriv, the policy that you have suggested is all right. But it applies to the world, not to me. My vow is that whoever comes to my shelter, I shall accept him. Vibhishan is coming. Tomorrow, if Ravan comes, I will accept him as well. I will offer the kingdom of Lanka to Vibhishan. But my Singhasan of Ayodhya is empty. Bharat has placed my Charan Padukas there. If Ravan comes to my shelter, I will make Ravan Avadhesh. And my remaining 11,000 years I am willing to spend in the forest. But let him come to my shelter. So Sugriv was not convinced. Nevertheless, he went and got Vibhishan. Now Vibhishan, when he came forward, what he did, this Sharanagati of Vibhishan is considered exemplary. Durihite dekhe dvau bhrata nayananand dan ke data बहुरी राम छवि धाम विलोकी रहियो ठिठकी एक टक पल रोकी नयन नीर पुलकित अति गाता मन धरि धीर कही मृदु बाता. Seeing Ram and Lakshman from far, Vibhishan went into a prem avesh. His body started trembling, his hair stood on end. Tears rolled out of his eyes, his voice got choked, and he became samadhist. For quite some time he remained in that situation. Then he controlled himself and he came forward. So when he approached Ram, what did he say? Nath dasanan kar mein bhrata. Maharaj, that Ravan who has kidnapped Mother Sita, I am his brother. Think how fallen I am. So what? If one brother is bad, doesn't mean the other brother is also bad. Maharaj, hear further my introduction. Nisi charo vansha janma suratrata. I was born in a Rakshas kul. And you are Surtrata, savior of the Devatas. Never mind, that doesn't disqualify you. In Rakshas Kul, even Prahlad was born. And the Lord manifested as Nrisingh to save Prahlad. Maharaj, I am not like Prahlad. Sahaja papa priya tamas deha jatha ulu kahi tam par neha. I have a tamasi body. All my life I have committed sin. Then why have you come here? I have come for one reason. Shravana suyasha suniyaehu prabhu bhanjan bhavabhira trahi trahi arat harana sarana sukhada raghuvir. I heard that you are Sharanagat Vatsal. You adopt anyone who comes to your shelter. That is why, Maharaj, I have come. Not because of myself, because of you. Now, whether you wish to accept me or reject me, this is your choice. That Sugriv, who was saying that tie Vibhishan and throw him into the locker, he thought, look at Vibhishan's state and look at my state. Vibhishan saw Ram from far and went into Samadhi. Sugriv remembered the time when he saw Ram from far. And he said, who are they? Are they Bali's people? Hanumanji came, found out, told Sugriv, they are God. Sugriv did not believe. He took a test of Ram. And when in the test he understood that he can kill Bali, so Bali badhab in bhai paratiti, for his self-interest he established friendship. Sugriv realized the difference. Ram, he said, all right, get the water. Got the Abhishek done of Vibhishan, and he applied the Raj Tilak and announced him as Lankesh. Now at that time, Ravan had sent some Guptacharas, some agents, to go and find out what's going on. So the agents, they had changed their form as monkeys to find out what's happening here. Ram asked Vibhishan, we need to cross this ocean, how should we do it? Vibhishan said, Maharaj, you sit here and perform austerities. The ocean will relent, it will give way. Lakshman did not approve of this policy. Nevertheless, Ram said, this is the best first approach. So he sat down there on the banks of the ocean to perform tapasya and austerities. In the meantime, these spies of Ravan who had come, their forms changed into their original Rakshas form and they were discovered. So the monkeys were getting their nose and ears cut. Lakshman saw this commotion, he called them here. He said, all right, I will protect you if you do one work of mine. Send a message to your king. They said, all right. So Lakshman wrote a letter. And he said, go and give this to Ravan. The Guptachars, they came back. So Ravan said, how big is the army? They said, Maharaj, it is so big, so huge, we have never seen such an army. So are these soldiers, are they all smaller than that monkey who had come? Maharaj, he is the smallest, they are all bigger than him. So Ravan said that, what is that tapasvi doing? They said he is sitting on the banks of the ocean and performing tapasya so that he may cross over. Ravan had a big laughter, ha ha, what nonsense is this? So how did they receive Vibhishan? The Guptachar said, Maharaj, they did his Rajyabhishek and Ram declared him as Lankesh. They don't consider you as living, they consider you as dead. So Ravan now internally became scared. He said, if you people think of him so much, you also leave. So he asked them also, these 4 Guptachars, he asked them also to leave. They also went off.